Hey everyone, if you're not receiving text messages on iPhone, here's how to fix it. First, open the settings, then here go to the messages and make sure that iMessage is turned on. Next, tap send and receive and check that your phone number is under you can receive iMessage to reply from. And now, go back and scroll to notifications and make sure that messages notifications are turned on. If you're still not receiving text, go to the settings and click cellular and make sure that cellular data is enabled. You can also restart your iPhone or remove and reinsert your SIM card to refresh your connection. And once done, try sending a test message. Your iPhone should now receive text normally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.